Hey my babies, welcome back to another video. Boop. I love to that, I don't know why. But anyways, in this week's vlog, guys, I am getting my hair done. Well, the following week is my birthday, but I just do want my face lift up, so I decide to do a little, corner go back and stuff like that, and decide to do a video of it. The little steps and stuff like that. Even though I know you don't want to know how to corner here, or maybe I don't know, but I like say only can even see it, like the steps. But yeah, a lot more cool stuff is there. You guys will see Kai a lot in this video also. But I hope you enjoy it, and please don't forget to like the video. Press the like button, like where you watch it now. Press the like button, leave a comment when you're finished watch a video, or a cool or favorite part. When I decide to say no, I want to comment there. But anyways, hope you like and enjoy. Share the video, guys. Share out the video. But yeah, until next clip, see ya.
Bitches big, sexy, I'm the chosen one. I drop a bag on your head, I got a lot of fun. And I got them shooters in the cut, they got a lot of guns. Put my little nigga on your ass, he gon' blam some. You know I swear that bitch like a NASCAR. I like Hellcat, start off the line and make the engine part. Don't put your trust in me, pussy nigga, I'ma break your heart. Young turn bitch, when I pull up, that's when the party starts. In the booty club, standing on the couch, throwing beans. Better respect me, bitch, my people's in the cut with them things. Wifey got me icy, now my chain hit like wild bling. In New York, with my partners, we be jamming, I mean. If you see me and you tryna see what's up, he wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have him stuck. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid butt. Jewelry on your wrist, fuck it, hold it up. When I holla ski, that mean pull up. Car 10 and 5, and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out that truck. Where the hood niggas at, they get them bucks.
What's that sound in the other one?
I don't know my name. Toriana, Monique, Bettiana, Shanice, Krista, Unique, India, Harry.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's another day. I know the last clip wanna see me, but I do my ear, I think. Yeah. But there are home and things right now. I look on some vanities and fixtures and stuff like that, because Robin I'm gonna do a renovation, a bathroom renovation, and I am assisting her with my style, my expertise in this kind of stuff. So we're there. I look for the longest while to get the perfect tile plus toilet, the vanity, every little thing. We've been a couple other places, but we're not sure of the stuff. I mean, I tell you, so the things them I work on money. So we're there now. The project is supposed to start tomorrow, and she need to get things cracking. So that what they do. Should around this, so what should they? Should I something about the place? And we are look. Michigan. Robin Artistry? Tiffy? Guys, tell me why we're there in your same way and look on outside. Basically we're in one storm right now. And it's like we're in business. Him just run come call me and say, Auntie Kim, come here. Look at this. It's a lot of rain. How we can leave out of this?
Yeah, left the coat.
What kind of picture still? If you can't see me, I have a mock hoodie. Except for the slippers, which I wear my Crocs today. But yeah, disaster. Watch it. Ready? You're gonna run out. Disaster. Bright daylight and look on outside. This look like about 6 o'clock. And at 2 o'clock now. I joke, probably 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Alright. Okay guys, moment of truth. Flood. Oh my god! Look on the car! And look over there, so guys! Yeah, movie. What's that? No, oh my God. Don't start my car. Why? You know, what you not going up underneath the top there? That's fine. As long as they bring come over here, so that it's supposed to be alright. Watch that car. Use them down and move the car now. Damn. If me ever did know so right, they said I go local. Guys, what we gonna do? Alright. The muffler definitely never get changed because they're high up. Woo! Hey guys, welcome back to an psych. Good morning, Jamaica. Anyways, it's another day, guys. I'm not doing a weekly vlog or nothing like that. It's just Which madman? See right there, so blood clot. In the hot sun. Man, I bake him get enough water yesterday. Oh my God. I must sleep better though. That's crazy. Anyways. But yeah, as I say, it's not a weekly vlog. I just do all thing. On the sun, the rain deal with the road yesterday. Now the sun is out. Pretty and nice. I head to Starbucks right now and then I go to the shop. I have to help Robin again, do some face. I'm not going to show you all of that. I'm just going to do a little snippet of it. But yeah, I get some coffee. No, like, I don't drink coffee like that. I just get some green tea frap and head to the shop and start my day. So I'll take you all along with me. Peace. Fry pan. Look underneath the cupboard for the small fry pan because small shrimp and rice are the big one. So yeah guys, we get breakfast. If you see, it's a bagel. Ham bagel. Robin won that.
Ham and cheese bagel. I mean that's some healthy stuff.
What do you say? Green tea frap all the way.
And Tyler got his Oreo drink and his cheese Danish.
Guys, if you don't normally get the green tea frap, then you forget it because it's slaps and it's healthier. Isn't it?
Very, very healthy.
But yeah, we're going upstairs now. See you later.
I have a star. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fucking hold it up.
Like that.
When I holla ski, that bitch pull up. Car 75 and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out that truck. Where the hood niggas at, they get them bucks. Being free, but we run dirty. Flying with your boo, yeah, that's my dirty. My sister in the backseat with a 30. Niggas tryna shoot that shot, Stephen Curry. Talk a bitch, nigga, show no mercy. Do the pussy bitch dirty. She like sexy, why you hurt me? Took him down up the Yorkie. When you give me put that dick all up my backside. I'm a hood bitch sitting courtside. I show up pussy how this back ride. Little bitch, I'm from the north side. If you see me and you tryna see what's up, ain't wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have a stuff. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fucking hold it up. When I holla ski, that bitch pull up. Car 75 and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out that truck. Where the hood niggas at, they get them bucks. Bitches big, sexy, I'm the chosen one. I drop a bag on your head, I got a lot of fun. And I got them shooters in the cut, they got a lot of guns. Put my little nigga on your ass, he gon' blam some. You know I swear that bitch like a NASCAR. I like Hellcat, start off a lot to make the engine part. Don't put your trust in me, pussy nigga, I'ma break your heart. Young turn bitch, when I pull up, that's when the party starts. In the booty club, standing on the couch, throwing beans. Better respect me, bitch, my people's in the cut with them things. Wifey got me icy, now my chain hit like loud bling. In New York, with my partners, we be jamming, I mean. If you see me and you tryna see what's up, ain't wanna fuck with me, then
Alright guys, so I'm in a car again, heading to apartment, what's that called again? Viewing. And lovely Monique asked me to assist her
expertise. You know what I say? I have all of the plug them in a joke. Anyways, yeah, but just a follow our faces, you know.
You have to be the Lulu.
So, I carry on along and show no one going. You see me I say? Yeah. And for Uno too. You know what I say? But, you know, just in case you don't want a view on apartment and you want to look on certain things, you can get a sneaky peek.
So we see a big rocket right there.
No, thank God for that. So guys, we reach and we're waiting on them for open the gate to go inside. Hopefully we can record. Maybe not. Maybe. Waiting money.
Yeah, you can record it. Why not? Of course you can record it. So we must can take picture or something. Oh, sorry, I forget. Sorry.
What? But anyways, let's go inside. Okay, so guys, we have a walk too. We have a little walk.
And guys, the energy is not.
It's not giving.
The energy is not giving at all.
Oh my God.
But you know we move.
Yeah. So just hopefully it's up to her liking. If you like the place and whatever. When I watch, because then people at the realtor are gonna show her the place right now. So yeah.
Is there any security?
No. They have a caretaker that comes in the daytime, but no, there's no 24 hours. Of course. Go this way. Unless you know this exists, you're not ready to come around there.
You have to do that.
Exactly. Here.
Okay.
This is the unit. It has been perfectly cleaned and it is normal. Well, since it rained,
Okay.
this opens your gate here and it also opens the gate at the top. They need to fix the intercom at the top.
Oh. Okay. Living space.
Electric or gas stove is fine.
Electric. That's correct.
Oh, wash and dry?
Correct.
Beautiful.
No, I definitely needed that.
Oh, okay. Beautiful.
Definitely needed that.
Okay.
This is nice.
Correct.
Decent toilet space, you know.
And you have a little closet here. Put it.
Oh.
You have an inline water heater, also with a tank with a
Beautiful.
And the AC.
have it service.
So what if I wanted to change this and put in like a mirror that I like? Would that be okay?
Speak to the landlord, I'm sure they're very open.
Oh,
When
okay.
you want to change, show them.
A mirror.
Yes.
Okay.
And they're pretty cool, so
Awesome. That is what we're looking for.
it's more awesome.
AC. Okay. Staying cool. That's nice. Okay, so I'm down and it's pretty decent for what the money is going for. It is okay, you know, it's nice. When I saw the title, decided to you want to do a little drive out. So we're gonna do a little adventure. Hopefully it turn out to a cool and cute adventure, I think. But anyways, and I'm not really, I'm just gonna drop off, not really me, Corey, I gonna drop off him sister to the airport, and I just decided to come along and do that's not blind me guys, sorry, but I need the lights, so you know the video can be nice. But anyways, I decided to just say I'm just do a little drive out and vlog it and stuff like that. Hopefully we can do some.
Get some content, Kim.
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Get some cool content and you know carrying along to Jamaica, the beautiful Jamaica.
Montego Bay.
Right, and Utrecht. When do I go through Utrecht? No, what? Anyways, content, guys. Content. Yes, content. All right. So yeah, see y'all in the next clip. Bye. All right, guys. So we are on our way down, and I picked up Kai. I can't show him now because I'm a nurse, and yeah, we're up on our way. See them turn around this.
Hey guys.
We are focused because we're kind of late, so I'm gonna make sure. Yeah, my focus. My focus. You can't turn around, so.
Who can't turn around?
Whatcha?
Hey boy, my way are you now?
Whatcha? Him no show off.
That's enough flight for us. Let's stop.
Anyways, yeah. Soon upon soon on the next clip, guys.
I'm a dog, but I still wanna party. Things felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Daddy, all of the bodies is pretty. Damn, all of the bodies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Rad, but he spank me when I get back. I'm in LA.
Alright, guys, so reach some parts in Mobile, right? So I mean, I tell you, a girl is hungry. Hungry. I'll see what them have on the menu and then get something to eat. And that hurt me. Jesus Christ.
Look outside another one.
I don't know my name. Toriana, Monique, Bettiana, Shanice, Krista, Unique, India, Harry. Nameless, are you nameless? Nameless, are you nameless? Nameless, are you nameless? Nameless, are you nameless? Painless, are you painless? Painless, are you painless? Only time I call when it's raining. How you for my dog and you a human? I'ma give you some of my shame, you need some more. Shout to me, yeah, but what's her name? I don't know. Am I recovering from amnesia? Whoa, put it in the belly, but the name ain't Keisha. No, so I make her sick by the name ain't Keisha Cole.
That's a reach. Wrong one, people. Guys, stop, wait. I don't want clean. In the bathroom now, guys. In the bathroom. The trip is short. Baby.